everyone, I'm Tin, the data manager at GenApe. First thing first, let me introduce who we are. GenApe is an innovative AI productivity tool developed by our culture-based team. With expertise in internet marketing and SEO optimization, we create GenApe to address our own content creation challenges. Using AI tools often come with challenges with like complex workflow and inaccurate response or concerns about data security. GenApe is here to solve these problems. Today, GenApe has evolved into a one-stop, user-friendly AI tool designed to boost productivity, enhance marketing capabilities, and spark creativity across industries. Let's watch a video about our key features. To achieve the feature showcased in the video, we have dedicated significant effort to backend development to enhance user experience. Let me walk you through the key improvements. Firstly, we made it more intuitive and easy to use. By designing intuitive input file based on AI model adaptation strategies and prompt optimization, users no longer need to give complex, repetitive commands. This makes the tool not only more user-friendly, but also highly accessible for users of varying expertise levels. Secondly, we've enhanced accuracy. Our RAG combines generative models with external data retrieval capabilities. This allows the system to dynamically integrate relevant external information, making it exceptionally suitable for professional domains such as technical reports, academic research, and more. In addition, we now support real-time web information. GenApe enabled the real-time retrieval of the latest web content, which is particularly useful for applications such as market analysis, news generation. This ensures users always have access to the most up-to-date information. Last but not least, we prioritize security. We've integrated automatic checks to ensure users' input comply with platform standards, preventing irrelevant or incorrect content from affecting the results. Moreover, the system identifies and blocks inappropriate, sensitive, or non-compliant content to safeguard user safety and regulatory compliance. These features make GenApe an ideal solution for high compliance scenarios, such as social media management, customer service, and content creation, helping business reduce risk and maintain stable operations. By focusing on these advancements, intuitiveness, accuracy, and security, we've addressed the most pressing challenges, creating a tool that is not only powerful, but also reliable and easy to use. Now that you know who we are and what features we offer, let's take a look at what tools do we have and how to use them. This is our homepage, where you can view all the tools in the sidebar. Our tools are divided into two main categories, task and multimedia. Below those tools, you'll find the generated history section, where you can view all your generated records, including text and image. For image, you can also filter by tools you use, making it easier to quickly find the files you need. At the top bar, you'll find the Create shortcut, which allows you to directly create a document, referring to the AI document editor in the sidebar. You can also create a custom AI template to your specific need, enabling you to build personalized AI agent tools. Lastly, you can start a conversation with ChatApe with this option. On the right side, you can view your remaining tokens and credits. Both are consumed when executing generation tasks. Tokens are used for generating text and image, while credits are used for generating videos. To the far right, you'll find the tutorial section, which links to our introductional articles and videos. Through this, you can learn how to use GenApe effectively, as well as tips for leverage AI tools to manage social media, writing articles, and more. First, I'd like to introduce space within the text tool. This tool is highly recommended to use before working with templates. When using AI text generation tools, you may encounter the following challenges. First, there's often lack of professionalism. The generic content might be too generic and fail to dive deeply into the specific expertise required for fields such as medicine, finance, or academia. This can make it challenging to meet the high standards expected in this industry. Secondly, there's an issue of insufficient brand or personal identity. The generated content often lack your unique styles or brand tone, which is essential for maintaining a consistent image. For instance, when managing social media, marketers often aim to preserve a unified brand personality, and generic output can disrupt this cohesion. Lastly, the high burden of repetitive tasks can be a significant drawback. Writing similar types of content repeatedly, such as creating Facebook posts or blog article with the same message and tone, can consume a great deal of time and effort, ultimately reduce productivity. To address these challenges, space can be used to establish proprietary knowledge and personal style before generating content. This allows the AI to produce more consistent and accurate output tailored to your preferences. So, how do we create a space? We can access the space from the sidebar and click Add Space to open the setting pane. The first column is your space title, and the second is brand voice. At the bottom, you can upload file as your domain knowledge. Brand voice and domain knowledge are optional, so you can decide whether to use one or both based on your needs. Now, for example, if I'm a clinic staff and want to generate article about the importance of sleep for health, I can first type my space title, which is the importance of sleep. And then I can paste my previously published content, like the Facebook post I once write, and click Analyze in right corner. Let the AI analyze my writing tone as my brand voice. And additionally, I can also upload an article related to connection between sleep and health. Just need to click Add and choose the file you would like to add. Right here, you can upload up to 100,000 words and maximum of 5 files in one space. We also support various of file formats such as Excel, CSV, document, text, PDF, and PowerPoint. Now, once it's done, the space setup is complete. And additionally, you can also click Make this space default. And then when you open an AI template like title generate or generate article, the default space will be automatically applied. This space can be applied to all our AI templates and ChatApe. Once you know how to use it, it can be very useful. Then we can click complete and our new space is added. As you can see, it's a default space. And if you want more space, you just need to create more by clicking here. Space empower industry like healthcare, finance, and e-commerce by leveraging a personalized AI agent to deliver precise, tailored content. It streamlines repetitive tasks, ensure consistency, and enhance efficiency by integrate pre-existing knowledge and individual styles. With space, professionals can focus on strategy while the AI handle the details, transforming the way we work and create. Now that you've created your personalized space, let's take a look at how to use the AI templates.
Okay, so I think you guys already had the overall understanding about our space, which can help you to customize your output. And now I'm going to talk about the AI templates, which is also one of our main features. For getting started, I want to ask you guys a question like, you ever think that writing is a nightmare, or you don't like writing, or you think writing is too time consuming? Yeah, so basically, our AI templates is a series of tools that can help you solve this problem. Yeah, it can help you from writing articles, writing essays, to even like video titles or e-commerce titles, things like this. Yeah, to greatly reduce the time spending on writing. Now I'm gonna give you guys a brief introduction on each tool and some use cases, And in the end, I'll show you how to use them. So without further ado, let's get it started. Okay, so when you first enter this page, you'll see that there's a bar showing all of the categories here and some popular AI writing assistants. And below that is all of our tools here. Okay, so now let's go to our first category. And as you can see, there are really a lot of tools here, and I'm going to show you guys like go through all of them really briefly. Okay, so the first one is our article rewriter. This is a tool that can help you to paraphrase or rewrite the content. And this is our second tool, article generator, and it can help you to generate a whole article with prompts, some content that you can give in some references, some information, and you would generate a whole article based on that. And then the third one is our text expander. And this is the tool that can lengthen your content by adding more details or like giving examples, yeah, something like this to lengthen your content. And text shortener is a tool that can help you to, like, as the name suggests, shorten the content. This is our continue writing tools, and these tools can also help you to lengthen your content. And you might ask that, okay, so our continue writing will also lengthen the content, and the difference between text expander and continue writing is that text expander only lengthen the contents based on the information you give, and continue writing will go through the creation process. So the next one is our AI translate. Yeah, this is basically like a Google translation, with the assistance of AI. Yeah. The next one is title generator. And title generator is something for you to generate title. And the next one is presentation content maker. This one is to help you generate presentation contents. Like if you are going to have maybe a meeting tomorrow, and well, you're really running out of time, you can use this maybe. And the next one is outline generator. This one is to help you generate outline, as the name suggests. And this is our intro generator. And this is a tool that can help you generate an intro, as the name suggests. And conclusion generator for conclusion, paragraph generator for paragraph. And AI article ideas is for, like, if you're running out of inspiration, you can use this to maybe give you some new idea. And text summarizer. This is a tool that can help you to summarize the content. If you have an essay, you can use this to give you a summary. And news generators to help you generate like a news, and press release is to also help you to, well, so the news generator will provide the news articles. Yeah, basically this is a tool that can help you to generate only article. And this one will also give you title, headline, and content. And the last one is FAQ question generator. This one will help you to generate some FAQ. So let's go to our second category. And this is for academic writing. And you can see that most of the tools here are for essays. Essays generator for you to generate the essay, and title generator also for you to generate the essay's title. And this is the outline for you to, like, if you don't really know the structure, if you need the structure of an essay, you can use this one. Okay. Then this is for intro. Like if you don't know what to write for an intro, you can use this. And the conclusion is a tool for you to write a conclusion. And like the last one is essay rewriter. And essay rewriter is a thing that can help you to, like, for example, if you copy something from the internet and you don't want to just copy and paste them, I think you don't want to. So at these moments, you can use as a rewriter to help it to paraphrase in more academic way compared to the previous one. So this is Google Ads post. Well, it will help you to write a post, as the name suggests, but for more like a marketing way. And also, this is also for it. An AIDA framework is AIDA is something like attention, interest, desire, and action. Yeah, this is a marketing strategy. So these tools can help you to generate a framework based on this. A meta description. This is for SEO. Do you know what is meta description? Meta description is something like when you search something on internet, for example, like you search salad for Google on the Google, and you will see that there's a description below the title, and that is meta description. And this one is will generate a article. So this is meta description, and it will help you to generate a meta description for general purpose. And this is for article, and this is for product page, for home page, for service pages, and all of them will not all of them. Like I mean, this, and this one will help you to generate a meta title and meta description, which can greatly save your time. And here it is our Google Ads description, and it will help you to generate like you know if you see a Google Ads, you will see a description below, and this is help you to generate it. And this is for headline, which can also seen as as a title. Yeah, and this is for Google review, like some reviews on Google Maps or some reviews. Yeah, most of them are from Google Maps. This is like help you to enhance your sales performance. So this is for website, like landing page. Call to action is something that you click in the bottom, and call to action is that button. So this is our e-commerce category, and this is basically for Shopee to generate your products descriptions and titles. And this is for general purpose, like if you want to post something, post maybe salads or products on the like something like eBay. Yeah, you can use this. And our next one is video, and this is most of them are for YouTube and TikTok. And you can see here you can generate ideas for yeah if you are running out of or you don't have any ideas, you can use this. And this is for title, outline, description, hooks, scripts, intro, and like for TikTok, you can generate captions and hashtags, some hooks, and some video scripts. Okay, so the next one is for social media. And as you can see, we cover from Threads, Facebook, Instagram to like Google Business Profile and Twitter or X right now. And well, most of them are generating like posts or threads. Well, the tools here for Instagram will generate captions and hashtags. And this is for you to plan something on the social media. If you don't have any strategy, maybe you can go here to find some advice. So the next one is for brand. This is basically for companies. Like if you want to generate a vision, mission, slogans, you can go here to generate them. And the next one is for email. And you can see if you are running out of time and you don't want to write email, you can maybe find the tools here. It can help you with that. So now I'm going to show you guys how to use them. And we support for different types of upload sources. You can see, right, test, I want to type something here. You can type something here. Yeah. And files, if you want to upload some files, like we support documents, PDF, and TXT files. And if you the sources are from the internet, you can add the URL here, and also you can upload the image. And we support JPG, PNG, and WebG. And after uploading, input the prompts or upload the file, you can type in the target audience that this is for who, and you can choose the voices. Well, this is more like a writing style that if you want the output to be humorous, you can use this, and you can choose a length of them and choose whether or not to use a space. And this is for your numbers of outputs and your target language and whether or not with image and search and find some reference on the internet or not. And if you don't know how to use them, you can click the demo here. So now I'm going to show you guys how to use them. For example, if I want to type in the salad, okay, and the target audience is some hungry customers, and I want the tone to be humorous and the resource then to be short, and I want only one variant or maybe two, and the language is in English. I don't want image, I want web access, and then I click generate, and it will generate the files. You can see some files here, and you can choose the ideal one for it. You can compare two of them and choose the ideal one. Okay, so this is our custom template. You can create your own custom templates here. And if you don't like, for example, like you don't find the ideal one here from our tools, you can create your own one here. And I suggest that you can type more generic stuff here, like a comprehensive article. Like, for example, like I want to write a reels, and I'll tell them to write maybe some reels here. Let's do the some threads here, and maybe with setup, okay, or about setup, and I'll create templates. So after I create the templates, you can see that I'll say that there is something, some fields to input. You can choose whether or not to input the image, the web assets. You create your own custom templates. You can see that the input is basically the same with the one we have already seen. And you can also customize the templates here, like percent here. You can click here and click edit. You can choose, you can like customize your input, and here's our advanced settings. If you want to like give it like I want to generate 10, and I will type in 10 and would 10 results, and then it would generate 10 results. So if you like want to adjust your output furthermore, you can type in something here, and you can also choose whether or not to use your space and whether or not to adjust tone, adjust the writing style, or the whether or not to generate image or web assets. So this is basically all about our custom templates and AI templates. Okay, so I think you guys have already had the overall understanding about our AI templates. And now I'm gonna introduce our AI document editor. And our AI document editor is something like a tool that combines every single AI template together. So without further ado, let's show you guys how to use this. First, I'm gonna upload the file clip here. I can upload the file here. And this is a product description that I copied online, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna demonstrate how to use this through this file. So first, like as you can see, this is a file that this is a product description that doesn't have any title. So first, I'll press space. You can see here comes up the fields that says what I want to do, like because I like this product description lacks a title, so I will write a title and about Star Wars Rebel Alliance Special Force prospect. So I'll use this. I want to generate this as a title, so I'll click here, press space, and ask the AI to help me to write a title. So I'll press paste it and click here to generate it. Okay, so here's the title. And if I don't like the title, I can choose to try again to regenerate it. Or if I like it, I can just add to the document. Here, click it, and it will show below, right below the document. So this is our first feature about our AI document editor. Then I'll show you guys the second feature. As you can see, what if I don't like the product description here? I want to rewrite it. I can select it and click rewrite here to rewrite the paragraph here. And after some process time, you can see here the AI tool has already helped me to rewrite the contents here, and I can choose whether or not to replace the document I select or insert it right below the select paragraph. And I'll choose the first one to replace the document here, like this. And if I think it's a little bit too, like the second paragraph is a little bit too long, I want to make it shorter. And then click here to generate after some time of generation. See, here comes out the outcome. And also like I can click here to shorter, yeah, to replace it like this. And if I think I want to make it longer, I can click here to make it longer. See, here comes the really long paragraph here. And I can choose, this time I'll choose to insert below. And you can see it's really, really long. Also, I can choose to continue writing. The difference between make longer and continue writing is that, okay, so I'll choose to, so also I can select the paragraph here and choose to translate it. And you can see here, like, what if I want to translate the things into Japanese? I can click here and after some process time, and here comes the Japanese translation. Now, as you can see, like, we lack a picture here to describe our products. So we can use the text to image here to generate a product profile here. Like click here and paste the product name. Yeah, and if you want further adjustment, you can type more prompts here. Here I want to, I don't need any image reference and only one image here. And I want it to be square and not any style and click generate. So after some process time, as you can see here comes out the index dot not. Okay, so after some process time, as you can see here comes the image about the products. And I can click here to add to the document. And after clicking that, you'll see it comes here and I can drag it to the place I like I want to make it to because it's a product image, so maybe I'll put it here to make it more like a product. And also the title, just copy it to the top, maybe here, have it, and make it like a heading. Okay. Want to make it to the H1 here, click it. Okay. And here's it. It really become a good product description here. So I can choose to like now the problem is how to set this. Well, you can click the copy on here. You copy it to a clipboard, or you can choose to download it like with support Microsoft Word or PDF file. I can choose 01 to 7. And if you don't like the image here, we also have background changer. And if you think the image quality is low, you can choose to like upload it to fix the quality, to upgrade the quality of image. Okay, so this is all about our document editor. So like this is the title for general purpose. If you want it to be more like e-commerce stuff, you can choose the like for example you want to put your products onto Shopee, you can choose the Shopee products title, and here you can further customize your title here. Like for example, like I want this the rucksack to be more the title of like this rucksack to be more appropriate for like Shopee titles. I can put it here and also put the products, insert the products. I can include the product description here and maybe add some keywords like this one is for Star Wars. So maybe I will put Star Wars here and in maybe humorous way and space and output language to be English, okay, and category to be like this is for maybe casual. Okay, sure. Okay, and click generate. And after some process time, you can see that product title has already generated here. You can choose whether or not to replace this. And also it will give you some suggested keywords here.
You've already learned about our unique text tool, so let's spice things up a bit and introduce you to something that's likely not entirely unfamiliar, ChatApp. Using ChatApp is just like using ChatGPT. Through a conversational approach, you can ask AI any question you like. You can either click the shortcuts we provide to start a conversation or start a conversation directly in the input box below. Before starting the chat, you can choose the model you like ChatApp to use. In addition to the commonly used for Mini and for, we also offer Cloud, known for its natural conversational ability and deep contextual understanding. Below the input area, you'll see three buttons: Space, Chat with File, and Web Access. You might recall the space we introduced earlier, which can also be used right here. You can also upload a file and ask ChatApp to analyze the document, answer a question about their content, or even create a summary, among other things. Another unique feature of ChatApp is its ability to automatically detect when web search are needed to answer your question. Even if you haven't enabled the web access button, ChatApp will automatically search the internet based on your conversation, providing more precise answer to your inquiries. At the sidebar, you can see expand menu, and right here you can see your chat history and add a new chat.
Okay, in this section, let's talk about Image app. So for this Image app, they have 4 key features, including text-to-image, background changer, fixed blurry image, and AI fast swap. First of all, let's talk about text-to-image. So in this image generator, it can help us to create high-quality image assets simply by entering a textual description. And this textual description, we can also call it a prompt. So the first thing you need to do is to type whatever you want to generate of this image and choose the number and size of the images. For example, if I want to generate maybe only one image, and for size, either horizontal, vertical, and square is available, I would like to choose the big horizontal one. And now I need to type my prompt. Under this situation, maybe you are out of prompt ideas. Here we have already provided you some ideas which maybe future cityscape in cyberpunk style, or a smiling Taiwanese girl on the beach, etc. Or you can even explore the public space here. All the users would share their prompt and image here, such as Kobe, a cute kitten wearing a safety helmet on a bustling construction site, etc. Just press try this button and you can get the same prompt here. Additionally, how about if you already have an idea about generating an image maybe related to ram apples, but you only think about ram apples, it's a simple text. You don't know how to make it more detailed to make even more beautiful image by the generator. Then under this situation, you can press this button, Enhance Prompt. Then the generator would help you to make the prompt more detailed and more specific for you to generate the image. So you can just press the Generate button. And let's see. It talks about vibrant red maples in a serene autumn forest. Yeah, that's it. A beautiful picture, right? Moreover, if you already have an image that you like it very much, but you don't know how to generate another image just very similar like that, there are two ways you can try. First is the features of image to text. So here you can just press the button and choose the image you like. And then the generator would help you to generate a prompt which is based on the picture, and we can just press generate button and let's see the picture would be very similar with the picture you like. Yes, here. They both have a robotic hand and image icon and the futuristic style of the picture. And how about the second way? The second way is that here we have an image reference feature. And it even have two modes. First is content reference and the second is style reference. Let's talk about their difference. First, the content reference would learn about the picture's content, its architecture, and its structure. For example, we still upload this picture and we generate it again. Let's see. You can see here are two hands and a money icon between the hands. Yes, two hands and a money icon. How about the second one? Style reference. Still, we upload this picture again and generate. You can see the structure, the architecture of the two pictures is different, but the style is very similar. Yes, that's it. The futuristic style, but no two hands and no image icon. Besides, you can also apply several built-in style here, such as movie, oil painting, watercolor, etc. Let's take watercolor as an example. Just single click it, and for prompt, let's take red maples again. for examples and generate. Okay, then by using this style, you can get a watercolor painting of the red maples, maybe for making posters or other advertisement purpose. So that's it. And among our styles, some of them are premium styles, such as fantasy, luxury, technology, real estate, and bank. These 5 styles are only for paid users. Especially the real estate style and the bank style are our special special styles, especially for the Taiwanese industries. So by using these 2 style, you can generate image like this: the Taiwanese real estate salesman or the Taiwanese bank personals. So if you are interested in these 5 premium styles, welcome to update. The next one, our second feature is background changer, which makes it easy to add nice looking backgrounds to objects. So maybe a few years ago, we still required elaborate setups or professional photography for creating such visuals. But now, just with a few simple steps, you can achieve professional results. So for our feature, here it comes in 2 versions: Background Changer Lite and Background Changer Pro. The Lite version here, just for an example, we would like to upload a sofa, which is based on one of our users' case that he have successfully showcased furniture in different stylish living room. So here you can see it's the original sofa we uploaded, and it's the sofa without the background. You can just, with a single click, choose one of the style that you want, or you can customize your background. For example, we want to place our sofa into a Nordic style living room. Okay, generate. Let's see whether we can successfully place our sofa into the Nordic living room just by several seconds. Okay, that's it. Looks great. And just by clicking this button, you can download or share it. And how about Background Changer Pro? Let's see what's the difference between the 2 versions. So first of all, you can see the first step is still to upload the sofa. Okay, then it also removing background. And on the left side, you can see for Background Changer Pro, it offers several advanced options. For example, image reference. And it also provides some prompt ideas. So here for the prompt, we would like to put the Nordic living room again. Nordic style living room. And for prompt ideas, you can choose whatever you want, any relevant keyword that you want to add into your image, such as maybe I would like to choose empty background. I hoped my image could be simpler, and I press generate. Let's see. Okay, that's it. So for the Background Changer Pro, you can zoom in, zoom out, and place the sofa at wherever you want. So maybe I put the sofa here, and here is a button that's called Advanced Generation. By clicking this button, you can get an image that the sofa would blend into the background much better. So just click it, and let's see. Our sofa would be placed into the Nordic living room successfully. Yes, it blended well. Furthermore, just for showing the features that I didn't showcase just now, now I want to select a style. Maybe I would like to choose snow, and I can customize like Christmas tree in snow, and I can upload an image reference a Christmas tree here, and then I can even choose the size of the generated image. Maybe I want to make it a YouTube cover. Okay, and let's generate again. Let's see whether the Christmas tree would be in the snow. Here it is. Okay, then we can like zoom our sofa. Okay, and advanced generation. Okay, for several seconds we get it. Great. Our sofa by the Christmas tree in snow. The search feature of our image app comes to fix blurry image. So this feature can help us to enhance the low resolution image, transforming them into this kind, the high definition images. So no matter whether it's maybe it's a product photo accidentally captured in low resolution, or an old photograph from many years ago, or even it's historical materials that you should include it into your project, this tool can help you to work seamlessly with here. Notice this format, JPG, PNG, and WebP formats are all available. And just for notice, that the maximum file size would be 10 megabytes. So for this feature, the only step you need to do is to upload your image directly. So here I would like to upload a history material, which is an old photo of the Taiwanese natives. And let's see. Here on the top right corner, you can click it by see the before and after difference instantly. Before, after, and just download and share the picture on the right side. Lastly, the fourth feature of our image app is AI Fast Swap. It offers powerful fast replacement capabilities, and I would like to share two scenarios for you to use this feature. So first scenario is that if you or your model for showing your product accidentally close your eyes when taking the photos. Here you can upload the photo you want to fix and add the face that your eyes is open. So let's just look at the examples. Here I upload a man with his eyes closed. And for here, 8 face, I upload that the man with eyes open. So here, since I don't have photos of the same person with their eyes open and closed, so I upload the different persons with their eyes closed and open. But you must have them yourself, right? If you close the eyes or your model close eyes, you can just take photos that you open eyes and swipe your face onto your face. Okay? So now let's generate. And let's see what's the results. Okay, as you can see, Here, if you accidentally close your eyes, then after the AI swipe face, your eyes is open now. And the second scenario is that if you're a self-media creator who needs to show your face, AI Fast Web would be convenient for you to create special effects for yourself. So for example, for a Christmas post, you could replace your face with an image, maybe like this one, where maybe you dressed as a Christmas tree, or even add the deer antlers by yourself. Any image that you can generate through the first features of the image app, which is the text-to-image generator here, can have its face replaced with your own, allowing you to achieve a variety of creative visual effects. So we can try once. So as we just mentioned, here we comes to the text-to-image generator. And now we can type in like Taiwanese young man wearing a Christmas themed outfit with a pair of deer antlers on his head. Okay, then generate. Okay, we got the Christmas deer. And we download it. Let's go back to AI Fast Web. So now we can upload the template, which is the deer, the Christmas deer here, and add the face, which should be yourself. Alright, let's generate it. Great, we got the results. So from now on, you can generate whatever what kind of the visual effects that you want by yourself and on yourself. Don't forget to download and save it.
You've explored how to create with various image generation tools. Now, let's take it a step further by making this image move. If you're a perfume retailer and want to create a product showcase video from a photo, you can simply upload the image at the left section. And then input the desired effect you want in the video at the right section. For example, we want the perfume to stay fixed in the sand while the wave gently wash onto the shore in the background. After we click Generate, you'll have a lively video to showcase your product. This tool can be applied in many different scenarios. In addition to product showcase videos, our users have also utilized it to create dynamic background for their stage performance. We can now create up to 5-second long, and in the future, we will provide more customizable options, allowing users to set parameters such as longer video duration and different aspect ratio. Now, let's watch a simple video to learn more about our video generation feature. Here is the introduction to all the tools from GenApe. Before recommending these tools to friends and family, you need to know that we also have affiliate programmed. At the bottom of the sidebar, you can see the entry point to the affiliate program. Once inside, you can find all the rules and application methods from the affiliate program. Our program is designed for marketers, influencers, and content creators. Whether you're a beginner or a second user, joining is very simple and it can be used immediately. Simply fill out the form at the left section to generate your invitation code, and as a promoter, by sharing your exclusive invitation code, you can earn a 15% commission when other users enter your code at the checkout, while those who use the code can receive a 5% discount. Here's the introduction to GenApe. Unlike other competitors in the market that typically focus on the single function, we provide an all-in-one solution for generating everything from text to video. Our interface is user-friendly and our pricing is highly competitive. On the technical side, we leverage RAG to ensure that generated results align with the latest information. Additionally, we implement the stricter screening mechanism to guarantee users' information security. In this area of technology, we empower all users to easily utilize AI tools to boost productivity and elevate creativity. If you want to learn more about AI news, you can follow us on Threads, Instagram, or our websites. And if you have further questions or inquiries, you can contact us with line customer service. And that's our introduction today. Thank you for watching.